Smartphones are on their way out. And what's replacing them? Smart glasses, the future of wearable tech. These aren't just glasses. They're your screen, camera, assistant, and navigator all in one. Smart glasses use augmented reality to project digital content right into your line of sight, so you can see messages, directions, or even translate languages. Hands-free. Want to take a picture? Just say the word. These glasses have built-in cameras, microphones, and speakers. No phone required. With bone conduction audio, you hear music and calls while staying aware of your surroundings. How do they work? Tiny displays show data, sensors track movement, voice assistants handle commands, and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi keeps you connected. From Ray-Ban Meta glasses to Apple's Vision Pro, companies are racing to make smart glasses smarter, lighter, and more powerful. In the future, you won't need to look down at a phone. You'll just look up and see everything you need. Smart glasses are here, and they're changing the way we see the world, literally. Follow me for more future tech insights. The future is wearable.